So what's your name?
This is Lieutenant Phil Sabota right here.
Hi, Lieutenant. And he's in the United States Navy, and he's going to tell us about a Navy shower.
So Navy shower, whenever we're running low on water, it's got to be fast, quick, and in a hurry. So we turn on the water real quick, rinse off maybe 5 seconds, and then put some shampoo in our hair, and then rinse off again, maybe another, there's soap in there, so maybe another minute. But all in all, it should take no longer than 2 minutes. Save that water.
I so like, is there time for conditioner?
I don't need conditioner.
All right, guys. So there you have it. The actual inside story on the Navy shower. Oh, so wait. So they're gonna want to know what's the bathroom like. So this is the sink.
Yep. We got one sink here. We are actually lucky enough to have a washing machine here, washer dryer combo. And we have one stall, one urinal, and that's it.
Wow. Now I can't imagine that this has a lot of capacity. This laundry.
No.
So how much?
This is it. This is all we have.
So does it run just all day long?
Pretty much.
Wow.
We have a whole laundry list for you get to sign up, who's next, and it's running constantly.
Wow. So if it breaks down, what do you do? Who do you call?
Yeah.
You know, I mean,
it's just a stinky next few weeks.
Oh, so these are your hot water heaters?
Yes.
Oh wow, this is so cool. And obviously this is the head.
Yep.
All right, cool. And then I guess this is your emergency medical.
Yep.
Wow, this is very cool. Thank you.
Yeah.